italki, preply, verbling, amazing talker, lingoda, cambly, your own private practice. Which one is for you? Let's find out. Hey, my name is Ryan. I have 5 years of teaching experience and 2.5 years teaching online. I also have a TESOL, a TESOL, and a master's degree in applied linguistics. There are many TESOL programs online, but this course is specifically for online language teachers just like yourself. What's included in this TESOL program is exactly what I learned in my own TESOL training and everything I did not learn and I wish I had. More than 100 modules divided into 20 sections. This is exactly what you need to either get started online or to continue growing as an online language teacher, attracting students, getting bookings, making materials, and the realities of the teaching market. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about videos, articles, resources, thousands of dollars of free resources which I have created myself packed into this course. We're talking about more than 15 hours of video recordings where I teach you from step 1 to step 100 of how to be successful as an online language teacher. We're talking about money, materials, students, and your own mental health as a teacher. We cover it all in this course right here. We don't leave anything out. This is what you need to get started online. You will save hundreds of hours and thousands of headaches by completing this course right here, as I give you all of the knowledge that I have acquired over these past few years as a language teacher. Growing my business from a couple students to hundreds of students. Growing my bookings from $8 an hour all the way up to $45 an hour. Let's get going. And if I haven't sold you on it already, then just check out my free course. I have a free course on my Udemy page. Go ahead, check it out. That will give you an idea of what to expect in this course. And if you have already completed that course, believe me, there's a lot more right here. And if you don't believe me, you could hear it from the horse's mouth. There are dozens of excerpts in this course from real italki, preply, and amazing talker teachers who are here to give you tips on how to improve. Let's get real. Teaching online could be great, but especially in one-on-one settings, it could feel lonely. It could feel isolating. So my goal is for you to feel that you are supported, for you to have an abundance of resources, a repository of knowledge to help you plan lessons, deliver those lessons, and keep students. So let's go. Join the course, start studying, and keep smiling.